Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Hyundai Sonata. First, ensure you have all necessary tools and supplies ready, including the correct oil and filter. Safety is paramount, so properly lift and secure your vehicle before starting any work underneath. Once safely elevated, you can easily access the oil drain plug and filter, preparing for the next crucial steps in the process. Now, let's get that old oil out. Position your drain pan directly under the oil pan's drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the used oil to flow into the pan. Be patient and let every drop drain completely. This ensures you remove as much of the old, dirty oil as possible before adding fresh lubricant. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Speaking of keeping things running smoothly, why not upgrade your home's clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying, perfect for pet owners. Check the description for a link to this amazing product and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Unscrew the old filter and replace it with a new one, ensuring the rubber gasket is properly seated. Then, reinsert the drain plug, tightening it firmly but not excessively, ideally with a new crush washer. Finally, carefully pour in the specified amount of fresh engine oil through the filler cap, checking the dipstick as you go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.